All right guys, so we are at EV's Republic today and I'm comparing two cars. Both are Tesla Model 3s, but there's one big difference between the Model 3s. Can you tell? This one is on spacers. If you look at it, the wheel is slightly out larger than this one, or slightly out wider. So Model 3, and then Model 3. If you look at this tire, you can really see it. You can see it goes past the body super far out right here. And if you look at mine, it's more flushed in. So this gives you a wider, more aggressive look without really doing much except adding spacers inside of it. If we look at the back, it gets even crazier. So taking a look at this one right here, you can see it really pokes out, kind of starting from down here. Right here it starts poking. And then for this one, it's super just tucked in. So this is a great way to make your Tesla look more aggressive with just adding spacers. And I talked to the owner, Ben the EV guy. Make sure you check him out on Instagram and YouTube. He tells me that it even rides better. So if you want to be more aggressive and have a possibly smoother ride, you can order these. I'll have them in the description below. Let me know what you think of the look. Do you like it? Do you hate it? I personally like it, and I might get these. These are pretty sick.